Goeiemôre, goeiemôre Molweni, good morning. Ek dink dit is nou so net na 11 en baie van die mense wat nou uit die kerke uitkom, vir daai mense wat nou lekker vroeg ontbyt gehad het en vir daai wat regmaak vir 'n lekker middagete of 'n braai, baie goeiemôre op hierdie Sondag. Good morning, just a bit of a surprise good morning. I don't always plan for things to happen, but when I think I've got something on my heart, something that is on my soul, I get to this platform and spend a couple of minutes with you. Jammer dat ons nou nie baniere en aankondigings gemaak het dat ek so by 11:00 net gou by julle gaan kom inkyk nie, vir julle wat nou net by mekaar kom en wakker raak op hierdie baie mooi, tog koue dag hier in die Kaap. En waar ook al u self bevind, hartlike goeiemôre, good morning. I decided that I would like to, as normal, as I've done every year, spend a couple of minutes on celebrating a very important day amongst all the other calendar dates, except for those that are the religious or faith-based holidays. In my opinion, today is one of the most important ones. One of the most favorite ones that I think that we can celebrate. Vandag is 'n baie spesiale dag vir baie mense in hierdie land. Behalwe vir die geloofsdae wat ons vat as vakansiedae, dink ek tog hierdie is een van die belangrikste dae in ons kalender. En ja, ek verwys vandag na Moedersdag. Today is Mother's Day. And I would like to spend a couple of minutes just speaking, reminding ourselves about the blessing about a mother. For those that still have your mom, which I have and I'm blessed to have, and for those that can celebrate today, you are much more blessed than those that unfortunately cannot celebrate this day with their mom due to the fact that they have passed or they have lost their mom in years gone by. 'n Ma is baie meer as net 'n vrou. 'n Ma is baie meer as net iemand wat geboorte geskenk het aan jou. En 'n ma is meer as iemand wat altyd vir jou kos voorberei, seker maak daar's 'n pleistertjie vir die hart en vir die seer. In my opinion, a mother stretches well beyond the norm of just being a person that packs your lunch, makes sure there's food on the table, ensures there's love when needed, care when granted, a shoulder to cry on, or someone that brings a plaster to either heal the heart or the little place where you've just had a bit of an accident. A mother is a person that I think every single son and daughter always can go to and find a place of peace, of protection, of inspiration, of love and care. Not that a father doesn't, maar jy ken ons mans, vir al die ou skool manne, wat nie altyd te naby wou gekom het oor liefde en gewys het dat hulle altyd daar's nie, maar altyd binne het ons geweet ons paas is die sterkste en baie lief vir ons. Maar vandag is nie Vadersdag nie. Dit is Moedersdag. I'd like to, on behalf of the UIM, on behalf of all the fathers today, the children, sons and daughters, and to many grandfathers and granddaughters that are there, I'd like you to get this message from me today. Ons praat altyd van 'n moeder. And to many people, when you say mother, brings a very warm feeling to yourself. The mother is the person that they always say, you know, a man can create a house, but a mother brings home to that house. And in many cases, we have now a lot of mothers that are actually single moms. So vir baie mense het hulle opgegroei in 'n huis waar die ma alleen was. En 'n spesiale woord aan u vandag, wat jou kinders alleen groot gemaak het, wat altyd die beskerming daar moes gegee het, en wat maar die hele pilaar, die fondasie van die huis was. Aan ons enkele maas wil ek vir u net sê, ons is baie lief vir julle. Ek hoop julle kinders verstaan die toewyding, die aandag en ja, partymal die swaar kruis wat jy dra om daai familie alleen groot te maak en om daai potte te aanhou kook. It can't be easy to be a single mom. In so many places in this country, our children come from broken homes. It's my opinion that a lot of our problems in society is because of the lack of the father or a complete family at home. Ek wil vir elkeen van u vra dat u vandag 'n gebed, maar as dit in persoon is, 'n tydjie met u ma kan spandeer, al is dit in gedagte, en dat u hulle, maar nie net vandag op hulle harte dra nie, maar altyd. This land needs the caring of moms. Without our mothers, we don't have a home. Without our mothers, we don't have a family. And without our mothers, there can be no future. We have to start looking at our country and really say to ourselves that it sometimes feels that we are motherless. We are without hope. We are without the protection of the mom who always wants you to carry a jersey, always asks you if you're dressed warmly. And it's funny that it doesn't matter what language, what culture, what religion you are from, a mother is a mother. Dit maak ook seker nie saak hoe oud jy is nie. Ek is al oor die 55 jaar oud en my ma Mariana sal altyd vra, het jy iets warm, het jy iets nodig, het jy iets wat jy wil hê? So dit maak nie saak hoe oud jy raak nie, maar as jou ma lewe, is sy nog steeds jou ma. Your mother is your mom, and no matter your age will always remain that person that will ask if you've eaten enough, if you're wearing a jersey, or are you okay? I think today we tip our cap, we give our heart to every single mother that builds the foundation of this country. We need more motherly love, because motherly love, I must tell you, is quite different than any other love that I've ever had or that you've had. It's just that extra thing. You'll always see the moms making sure there's food on the table. Yeah, the dad brings the money, the dad brings the stability, but it's at the end of the day the mom that has to go sell the potatoes, sit next to the road with a pineapple, and go do things to create and generate something that is a bit more special than the norm. So to all the mothers today in the Republic of South Africa, may we as the men, may we as the children and the grandchildren thank every grandmother, mother and sister in this country that is a mother today. Mag die Here u seën as 'n moeder vandag, en weet dat ons gedagtes as 'n land by u is, en dat ons waarlik omgee oor julle. Daai ekstra chocolate, daai ekstra drukkie, daai ekstra dankie, daai ekstra rosie en daai ekstra blommetjie vandag aan u. En mag die Here se rykste seën en God oor u familie wees, en mag julle daar verleng mag word as ons maas elke liewe dag. To every mom, may God bless you today. May He give you an abundance of life, and may He feel, and that you feel, His absolute hand of peace and love over you specifically today as our mom. As jy vandag na my kyk en jy luister, druk gou maar net 'n dankie of 'n like, en stuur hierdie voort, sodat ons hierdie boodskap van liefde aan almal kan gee wat dit op hierdie oomblik het. Aan daai wat hulle maas afgestaan het aan die dood, onthou net goeie gedagtes bly. Ja, mens kry nie altyd net goeie nuus nie, mens kry nie altyd goeie tyding nie, maar dit is tog jou ma en wil nooit en sal nooit vergete wees nie. To those that have no longer their mom, don't forget them. Just have the good memories, and maybe today, if you have some good photographs, go with the kids through the memories of your mom so that they can last beyond you and remain in the memory of your children. On behalf of this country, thank you very much, Siyabulela, Kyalibucha, Shukran for being who you are and every day getting up and just being mom. Ek wil ook net sê, baie geluk aan alle mense wat die taal Afrikaans op 100 jaar gevier het, en snaaks genoeg, ons noem dit die moedertaal. Dit is 'n ongelooflike sin om te sê, Afrikaans is my moedertaal. Hoekom moedertaal? Ja, mens kan baie woorde gebruik om te sê, hoekom nie mans of pa taal, of so nie, dit klink net nie reg nie. Dit klink net reg, as jy sê, Afrikaans is my moedertaal. En ek bly in Kaapstad, en hulle noem dit die moederstad, the mother city. So alles verwys altyd terug aan die ma, en dit is tog waar ons vandaan kom. So thank you very much for allowing me just to pop up and to thank you for sharing this moment of saying to every mom that we love you and cherish you. And just to finalize, to all the people that have sent me messages of love and hope and just enduring faith, thank you very much. I feel absolutely rejuvenated. I'm okay. We started, well, next session of our chemotherapy. But I woke up today understanding that I'm filled with love, filled with compassion, and just being grateful for the miracle of every day. God bless you, and may God bless this Republic of South Africa. Die Here seën u vandag, en die Here gee sy genade en sy seënwense oor hierdie Republiek van Suid-Afrika. Tot ziens.